Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I want to share with you how you can easily buy and sell cryptocurrency on the new and improved Swyftx app. So if you are interested in finding out, then please keep watching. And before we begin this video, I just wanted to quickly mention this video is sponsored by Swyftx. I do have a referral link for you guys down in the description box below. So if you click that, you'll be able to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you sign up with Swyftx. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what Swyftx actually is. I'm then going to talk about some of their features. Let me tell you, their features are outstanding. I personally use Swyftx myself, and I honestly can't recommend them enough. And finally, I'm going to obviously show you guys how to purchase your cryptocurrency through the new Swyftx app. Beautiful app, very minimalistic. If that's your vibe, then let me tell you, you're gonna love the Swyftx app. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Now, Swyftx is an Australian-based cryptocurrency exchange. They're based out of Brisbane, and Swyftx is available to Australian and New Zealand users. So Swyftx have now over 400,000 registered users. I know when I first created a video earlier this year on how to use their website to purchase cryptocurrency, there were around 200,000 registered users. A couple of months later, they are sitting on 400,000 registered users, and they have now over 280 crypto assets. And in terms of fees, they have one of the lowest fees here in Australia at just 0.6% for their trading fees. And in terms of their fiat deposits and withdrawals, there are actually no fees associated with this. And in terms of spreads, they have one of the lowest spreads across other cryptocurrency exchanges. So essentially, spreads are basically the difference in price between the buy and sell price of a tradable asset. And in most cases, this can actually exceed the advertised trade fee. So if you have a look at Australian banks, they charge up to 11% if you're converting Australian dollars to a foreign currency. I personally think that spreads are more important than the actual fee, just because spreads can actually take out a huge portion of your profit or even increase your losses in the way of like hidden fees. What I suggest you guys to do is, if you really want to understand Swyftx and how it really stacks up against other cryptocurrency exchanges, I will leave here on the screen for you guys to have a look at some of the main cryptocurrency exchanges and have a look at their deposit systems, their fees, whether they've got a demo account, the number of crypto assets that they've got, whether they've got instant withdrawals, whether they've got a fully featured app, whether they've got the feature of bundles, recurring orders. Definitely would recommend you guys have a look at that. Okay, now let's talk about some of the features of Swyftx. Now, one of my personal favorites, and this is very beginner friendly, very user friendly, is their demo feature. Now, I know I've spoken about their demo feature many times here on my channel, but this is honestly a lifesaver for a lot of my close friends who are really getting started into the world of cryptocurrency. This is something that I actually recommend to them when they want to learn more about cryptocurrency and how to buy and sell. So essentially what you do once you've created an account with the referral link down below, you'll be able to toggle on the demo feature in your account and play around with fake money. So you can buy, you can sell, and you can really see what the interface actually looks like, get a good feel for the app or the website. Another feature is their bundles feature. Now, this I think is great for beginners as well. It provides you with preset bundles, which if you're a beginner, this is something that you want to look out for. It allows you to select bundles which already have crypto assets bundled for you. So a few examples are, they have the Swyftx Big 2 bundle, which is essentially Bitcoin and Ethereum. They've got Swyftx Top 5 by market cap. They've got Swyftx Top 10 by market cap. They've got the Swyftx Eco bundle. They've got the top traded altcoin bundle. They've got the DeFi bundle. They've got staking coin bundle and NFT bundle as well. So as you can see, this is definitely beginner friendly. And if you don't know what coins to purchase, you can definitely have a look at the bundles. And if I didn't mention this before, but they do have instant Australian dollar deposits as well, which makes it very convenient. When you know you want to purchase and you don't want to wait, then having instant Australian dollar deposits is amazing. Another feature which I personally love is their recurring orders. So you can actually set up recurring deposits and have these automatically split across your range of cryptos, which I think is really convenient. And for those of you who are worried about the market volatility, you are able to set automatic stop stop and limit orders. So this essentially allows you to never miss on a trade or get impacted by the market volatility. You can set buy and sell orders at any price, so when it does trigger, it will actually action that. Okay, now let's get into using the app. It's very simple, very easy for you to create an account, and doesn't really require too much information in terms of documentations. Firstly, what you're going to do is download the Swyftx application, and once you've downloaded the application, you're now going to scroll down from this video, click into the description box, and you're going to click the referral link that I've got in the top line there, and that will take you directly to the application, and that will already enable the Swyftx referral code for you, so you can get $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you fill in the details. So I've got my phone here, and I'm going to go ahead step by step with you on how you can create your account. So grab your phone. You will now have been taken to the Swyftx application. This is a newly launched application. I am obsessed. It is very easy to use, and I just love the interface. So it's going to be very easy for you to use as well. So once you've clicked on create an account, you are now going to be presented with a page that says to create your account. Now you're going to select which country you're from, so go ahead and do that. I'm going to select Australia. You're going to then go ahead and put your first name and your last name in there, and then click continue. You're then going to go ahead and pop in your email address, and then click continue. You'll possibly be presented with a CAPTCHA verification, so go ahead and do that. Now, given I've already got an account with Swyftx, I'm not going to be able to go ahead and do this, but all you're required to do is to input your phone number as well, and make sure you set up a very secure password. You want to make sure that this password is something that you haven't used on any other platform before, and you make it as hard as possible. And then you're going to go ahead and accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so once you're into the application, all you're going to do is toggle onto the left 3 lines on the top left corner, and you can see a lot of functionalities there. So what you're going to do first to ensure that you actually verify your account so you can actually start trading, you're going to go ahead and click on the profile tab, and then you're going to go ahead and click on verification. So essentially the verification is to really activate your account. So Swyftx will verify your email address, your phone number, and your ID instantly without requiring you to upload documentation or even waiting for approvals. And this is something that I definitely love about Swyftx. It's very easy to create an account and get started. Now, once you've been verified, what you're going to do is click on the 3 lines on the top left side, and you can have a look at a few of the functionalities that they've got there. So we've got obviously the currency, so you can select whichever currency you want to view your portfolio in. You can do Australian dollars, BTC, USD, or New Zealand. You also have the option of dark mode or light mode. I personally prefer the dark mode feature. It's a lot easier on my eyes. And then another feature which I did talk about earlier was the demo feature. And here you're able to toggle on and play around with the interface. So next, if you do want to go ahead and actually make a purchase and start trading, you need to deposit some fiat currency into the account. So what you're going to do, if you go into just the main screen, you're going to just swipe to the right and you're going to select deposit funds. Now you're going to go ahead and do fee-free fiat deposits. So this is your currency. It's going to be free for you to deposit money. You're going to go ahead and click on to do not show this again. You're going to click continue, and you have 4 options there as to how you want to credit the account. So you can go ahead and do that, and it does indicate on the side whether it's instant, whether it's near instant, or whether it takes 30 to 45 minutes. So choose your preference. This will then allow you to deposit some money into your account. So next step is, as soon as your deposit clears via the method of bank transfer, pay ID, poly, or credit card, you are ready to begin trading. So you may be asking, how do we actually go ahead and do that? So essentially what you want to do is, on the top of the main screen, your dashboard, you want to click buy, and you go ahead and you can search for any particular asset that you're after. Let's go for this instant Bitcoin. I'm going to go ahead and you can decide when you want to place the order. You can instantly place it on trigger or create a recurring order. So I'm going to trade from Australian dollars into Bitcoin. And what you do is you just have a look. You can have a look at the chart as well. That's a very good indication of seeing how it's performing. And you want to then toggle how many Australian dollars or US dollars, New Zealand dollars, depending on what currency you're trading in. You can hold on to the pointer there and toggle how many dollars you want to trade. And then once you've done that, you go ahead and review your order details. This will give you a breakdown of, how much Australian dollars you're converting to Bitcoin and the fees associated with that. So obviously I'm in the demo feature, so these fees are just mid-market estimates. Once your order is placed, note that it cannot be edited. I'm going to go ahead and place my order now. It is processing, and then you can go ahead and view this in your order history, and you can take a screenshot of this if you like, but this is your transaction history, and you can go ahead and purchase more cryptocurrency. So that is the buying process for purchasing on the Swyftx app. Now we can do the same thing. We can go ahead and sell some cryptocurrency that we own as well. So I'm going to go ahead and let's sell some Bitcoin. So again, you're going to go ahead, do the same sort of process there, toggle with that pointer as to how much you want to sell, and then you'll be able to review your order details. You can see the fees associated with that, and you can go ahead and place your order. And this is essentially instant. So you can go ahead and view your order, and there we have it. It is very simple, very easy to use. Now, of course, if you do go onto the main dashboard, you can have a look on the top. You can see there are a few other options besides buying and selling. You're able to look into Swyftx bundles, which we spoke about earlier, your recurring orders, your deposit funds. If you want to put in more money, you can withdraw funds as well, and you can receive crypto. So essentially, you can actually transfer your wallet. If you have cryptocurrency sitting with another exchange, you're able to transfer that over to your Swyftx wallet. And how this process works is it will actually generate a payment address, and you just input that address into your other platform for it to send it to your Swyftx platform. And obviously you can send crypto as well. You do have the option on your dashboard as well to just customize your view of the world, which I think is really fun. You can really change the layout and how you actually want to see it. Personally for me, I like seeing my account value. I like seeing my recent account activity, some of the gainers, losers, and new. And if we have a look at the bottom of the screen, you can see you've got your wallet there. I think having a look at this wallet in this sort of way is very easy to actually navigate through. You can see all of your coins that you've got, and if you actually click on the round circle as well, you can see percentage breakdown of that particular coin compared to your entire portfolio. You can also have a look at the assets that you've got and how they're actually performing. Everything seems to be up at the moment, which is great to hear. And you've obviously got your transaction history as well, which you can sort by date as well. And this is great for tax time as well. So I do actually have a shortcut for you as well. If you click on the plus button at the bottom, you're able to quickly perform these actions. So you've got your buy, sell, and all of those options down below as well in case you want to quickly do this. So guys, it's as easy as that to set up your Swyftx account and to start trading cryptocurrency. If you do want to get started, as mentioned, click the link down below. You'll be able to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. And if this doesn't pop up into your account instantly, feel free to just message Swyftx. They're very responsive and they can just credit that into your account. But guys, that's everything I wanted to mention. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If you do want to have a look at the website version and you're not really an application type of user, then I will link my video down below, which shows how you can do this on their website on your desktop. But guys, that's essentially the end of the video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks guys.